it's incredible.
I know, right? We made it, Hiccup! We made it!
Guys, can we slap each other on the backs later? Meatlug's wings are about to fall off.
Oh, sorry, guys. There's a place up ahead we can set down.
Whoa, whoa! Whoa, what is it, girl? Don't you want to rest?
Guys, do you hear that?
What is that?
I have no idea, but the dragons are definitely pulled towards it.
Well, then I guess that's where we're going.
This place is amazing.
Okay, I'm never going back to Burke.
Berg? What's that? I forgot.
Well, I guess we don't have to vote on where we're making camp.
Haha, I'll take care of the fire. Hook Fang, light it up! Monstrous Nightmare Gel. Don't leave home without it.
Give it back, it's my blanket.
You were right, Hiccup. There's so much more out here, and it's beautiful.
And this is only the beginning, Astrid. Who knows what we'll find out here?